Hey, what's up, guys? So a couple of days ago I ordered some mirror covers for my F-150, color mesh mirror covers, and they just showed up today. I was gonna get ready to install them, but it's raining outside, so hopefully the rain lets me. If not, I'll just do them another day. Let me show you guys what I got. See? It looks pretty good color match. So I ordered them from B&F Trucks, I believe it was. Yeah, let me check for you guys and see. See, that's where I ordered them from. It's BFN Trucks Shop. So yeah, I found them. I got into one of their websites. And ordered them. You know, I wasn't sure if I should order them or not from there. I didn't know if I should order them from there or not. But I decided, you know, might as well do it and see how they come out. But yeah, it looks like they did a great job. See? So yeah, so big thanks to FN Truck Shop for the collar match and the mirror covers. So I'm gonna try to get them installed, but like I said, it's a little rainy right now. It slowed down a little bit, so I'll see if I throw them on. I'm gonna do one first. I might do one first by myself without recording and see how to practice on it, you know, because I haven't really messed around with it yet. So yeah, I'll do one and then I'll record the other one, so you guys could get an idea on how to remove the mirror covers and put them back on. Alright guys, so I just popped off the glass on the mirror. See, there's a, try to get in between here and pop it with a screwdriver, and then there's this little wires if you want to disconnect them. And then see, there's 4 screws. Let me see what size it is. There's some T. Alright guys, so those screws there looks like they're T15, and it's 4 of them, 1 there, and see, 1 each corner. Okay, so let me take those off real quick and see what else it needs to be done. Alright guys, so yeah, the glass just, alright guys, so the glass just popped it in. Push it in, line it up, and just push it in, and it goes right in. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. And yeah, hope you like my videos and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.